So have you done masseters before?
I've done them before.
Okay.
Just not with you guys.
Okay,
so.
good. So I think you're gonna like it. I do it better. I do everything better.
I'm sure you do. My concerns are just that the lower part of my face is super wide and full. And basically I wanted to slim it down without having to do something super invasive.
So listen, this is Jeuveau. Jeuveau is a little different than Botox. Its claim to fame is it's a little more precise. So I like that for the masseter particularly. And then it kicks in a little quicker. So oftentimes you'll see this, you'll notice it hit it a little more. Listen, this is a lot. I'm giving you a lot of toxin right now. If you need more though, give it a full 2 weeks. We can add more easy. So we'll just see how it goes, like it includes it. So, we talked about buccal, we talked about chin. This is a nice non-surgical option. Relax and bite down. So, you got huge ones, Yeah, you got really good ones.
Been told.
So, but yeah, so this is gonna be a nice thing for you. So, do you chew gum?
No.
Okay, I see that with a lot of people. That's like people that do bicep curls all day. Their masseters are bigger. You probably do grind them or something at night.
I just tense my jaw. I can feel it. My jaw will get sore.
Or some people it can be like a tick. It's just like what they do when they're thinking or so maybe that's your case. Okay, put your head back for me. Turn that way. I'm gonna show. Okay, relax.
Oh, guys, I'm scared.
It's okay. I'm not gonna do it. I'll tell you before I poke you. Okay. And then bite down. Okay, relax. Bite down. You see how much it pushes my finger out there. Relax. Bite down. And I'll tell you before I poke you again. The key thing here is the masseter muscle, it's a big bulk, because then people say, why would you do the masseter muscle if you're gonna do filler back here, for instance? But the muscle's bulky, it's actually the strongest muscle per muscle fiber in the body. Like you can bite down much stronger than you can, flex your arm. So it's just bulky, it has a lot of blood flow, it leads to this roundness there. So paralyzing it, making it more flaccid, softens that, and then the jawbone is hard, it's sharp. So that's what allows things to be sharp after. Yours is, you can really feel your masseter. You got a good one. Bite down again. Yeah, okay, relax. Okay, bite down. Okay, relax. So a little poke. Bite down. Okay. Also, the other thing that the Jeuveau is nice for, if you do this, you get a little bit of the parotid gland, which goes in this area. The parotid gland also adds bulk, so it secretes the saliva in your mouth. So if you hit a little bit of that, it should soften it. And
that is a game changer.
Yeah, see, there you go. I like it.
That helps. It was feels a little weird, but it's so quick and so easy. And they used this thing on my chin, and it made it feel a lot better. I'd gotten it done other places before, and they didn't use that, and it was worse. So they did a really good job.
A little bit more that way. So same thing, bite down. See how much that pushes my finger? Okay, relax. And bite down. Okay, relax. So same thing. Yeah, the problem with the dang masseter muscle, it just takes so much Botox because it's such a strong muscle. Mm-hmm. We do, people are doing their trapezius muscles and their calves, now, and it's just, okay, Botox can do it. It just takes so much product to really get it strong.
I can't even imagine doing something that.
Yeah, no, it's crazy. Okay, good. So now just give it a little bit of time. It'll take a good week to kick in. If you feel like, honestly, somebody like you has really strong ones, sometimes there's just a little part of the muscle that can still flex good. So if you see that, asymmetry, come back, I can add a few more units if we need. That's all I got.
I'm excited.
Okay,
it's really quick and easy.
Neurotoxin and the masseter. This is actually Jeuveau. We got Jeuveau, Botox, Xeomin, Dysport, Myoblock, and now there's Daxi also. Today you can chew gum. It's kind of good to stimulate that or do whatever you think makes you grind because you want the muscle to activate today to take up the product. The product's taken up by the nerve and the muscle junction. So.
Well, I'll send you guys my afters.
Yeah, do it.
It really wasn't when they told me until I saw before and after.
You got good ones, that it makes sense.
We did masseter Botox, or Jeuveau, which is a neurotoxin, bite down, and you can just see this side a little bit more there. The masseter muscle, and she's got good ones, is the strongest muscle in the body, so it's not atypical that they need to touch up, which, look, it's gonna be a whole nother dosing, so it's not too much, but, you can give this a lot of neuromodulator, which you can do neuromodulators anywhere, but it depends how much muscle there is. So this is a bulky muscle as far as the face fold. Put your head back there for me. Bite down. Okay, relax. Yep, see it. So relax. Bite again. and relax and bite again. So I'm just finding it in there for her. And did you have a functional component to it all? Like, were you having headaches? No. Put your head against the chair there, and then bite down again. Doing got a lot of movement left. One more time. Bite down. And we'll do that. The other thing about, so people say like, sometimes I'll do masseter Botox and then do filler, and it can be counterintuitive. It's like, why would you want to narrow some of the volume but add more? Because the filler is sharp. The masseter muscle is like a big bulky muscle, so when you're at rest it adds to this like roundness and softness, and people particularly your age group like a sharpness here. They like to see like whoop, this sharp. So when the muscle's real bulky and round, also the parotid gland, which probably goes about like this, is there, adds to roundness there. So this probably atrophies or does atrophy a little bit of that gland, which is fine. It's a saliva gland. You have 4 big saliva glands in the face, so you make it a little smaller also. It gives some sharpness to it.
Cool. Okay, all you gotta do is subscribe. You're gonna feel hotter as soon as you press the button.